Alright guys, so I'm going to test out this paper airplane again and let's see how far it can fly, okay? Wow! Guys, I'm going to throw to this house to see if it can reach the house, okay? Check it out now. Wow! Wow! Alright, so let's test out this paper airplane in slow motion, okay? I'm going to throw it right now. Check it out. Hello again everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I am going to show you guys how to make a very simple paper airplane. This paper airplane is a new design and it flies very well indoor. If you try it outdoor, don't expect it to fly too far, but it still works. Anyways, to make the paper airplane, you need a piece of just letter size paper. If you don't have just letter size paper, use A4 paper and it should work too. Now, let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. Then start from this upper edge, fold the edge to the other edge. So make sure that all edges are lined up. Good. Now let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Flip the paper over, start from this upper edge, fold to this side. Alright. On the following step, I will start from this edge, I'll fold to this side again. Hold the paper right here and fold down. Alright. Make sure that edges are lined up, so I adjust it. Very simple. Very easy. Now, let's repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip the paper over, start from this edge, fold to the other side. Press the paper down. Press it a little bit harder. Cool. So this is very simple, right? Next step, let's start from this side of the paper and smash it to the edge. You see no different from the traditional paper airplane at this point, but let's move further. Let's press the paper down a little bit more. And then I repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's flip it over, start from this edge, fold to the other side. Alright. So this is what we have so far. This is very cool. Next step, let's pull the paper out, press it down. Now we have the shape of the paper airplane, and it looks so nice. Alright, on the following step, I will start from this tip and fold straight to this bottom line. So press and fold. Press it down. Already there. Perfect. Alright. On the following step, let's press down to make sure that the paper flatten. Next, let's start from this side of the paper, match it to the line we have here. Okay, let's do it. Let's press it there. Perfect. Let's repeat the same for the other side. Let's start from this edge, match this to the edge right here. So I adjust it. Let me turn the paper this way, and I fold there. Simple, right? Very simple. Now let's fold this up the paper up to hold the paper all together. Perfect. So at this point we have a paper airplane like this. Alright, so let's turn the paper over and pull the paper out again. Alright, let's pull the paper out again. Next, you have the line here already. Let's fold this line backward. Alright, so this is what we have for this side. Repeat the same for the other side. Let's fold inward. Alright, so now let's adjust the head of the paper. Fold straight to the head. So look at this. This is what you should have for this point. Let me adjust here. Alright, when you fold both sides of the paper, it will look like this, and then you can break this piece of the paper down. See that? You see what I have here? And then now I can fold this side of the paper up. See, I will fold slowly up like this. Let's adjust the paper and fold up. Okay, we have a pointy head now. Very easy. Very easy. Alright, so we have the head of the paper airplane, we have the tail. This part of the paper, let's fold it down. Okay, let me show you guys again. This is what we have, right? And then I'll fold this side backward again, so to make it look nice. Here we go. So we have a very nice paper airplane. Let's fold the paper airplane in half. On the following step, let's use this edge as a reference to fold the wings. So I fold this side down. Let's match this edge to the edge down here. Alright. Wow. This is a little bit hard, but that's okay. This upper part, you don't need to fold straight to the tip. Just leave it about 1 inch. Let's fold this side down to create the wings, and it should look good. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's turn the paper over. Start from this edge, fold it to the other edge to create a wing, and press the paper down. Make sure that both sides of the wings are even. Let me press the paper down, adjust this size, and rest it a little bit down more. Here we go. So look, alright, cool, right? Next step, let's start from this edge of the paper, fold up to create the stabilizer. So start from this side, I fold up. Make sure that this line parallel with the edge up here. So I will adjust it. It's about ½ an inch along this side. So it's up to you. You can put smaller, bigger, just play around. Once you finish this side, repeat the same for the other side. It should look good too. Alright. Now let's open the wings. Open the stabilizer. Okay. You will have a line in the center like this. Wings goes a little bit down. That is the thing that you have to adjust later on. Here you go. This is a new paper airplane. Let's test it out. If it doesn't fly well, you can adjust the stabilizer a little bit. Let me adjust it a little bit now. So I'll give you an examples. I'll show you guys how to do it. So I will adjust it a little bit more to make it look nicer. Okay, so now you have the stabilizer on this side. Let's do the same thing for the other side. Fold a little bit more. Alright. Now you have both sides of the paper airplane. Very good, very cool. Cool looking. Okay, the head is very new, small, hard. a very pointy head. Now let's test it out. But before you fly, there's one more thing you can do is to create the elevator. This is totally optional. You can fold this end of the wings up a bit like this, and you also have the plane flight. Anyways, let me flatten the wings down and adjust the head. And here you go. This is the new paper airplane. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye bye. Alright, so let's check out this paper airplane in slow motion. Okay, let me throw it. Alright everyone, now let's test out this paper airplane. I'm going to throw it up at 30 to 45 degrees. Hopefully it will fly very far and stable. Check it out now. Wow, it's pretty good. Let's go to pick it up. I'm going to try it again. See? Yep. Let me curve the end of the wings up more so it can elevate more. Let me throw it up high though. Let me fix it. Okay. Fix the head as well. Alright. Wings. Curve it up. Alright. Let me go back here and throw it again. Hopefully this time this will fly far. Alright. I know you guys want to see how far it can fly too, right? Check it out right now. Awesome. Let's hold up and throw it. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Yes! See, curve the wings of the plane up. We'll have the plane fly better.